The Sun. The source of energy for life on Earth. Stored as fossil fuels, the Sun's energy has powered modern civilization for over 200 years. Yet, fossil fuels are finite, and their continued use has resulted in climate and energy crises, to the extent that the stability of modern civilization is now at stake. Transitioning to clean energy is an urgent imperative. Switzerland and other nations have committed to achieving net zero emissions by the year 2050. But this will be extremely difficult as intermittency of supply, pressures on land use, scalability and toxic waste limit how quickly and effectively new energy sources can be rolled out. And, as the sun doesn't always shine and the wind doesn't always blow, these renewable energy solutions cannot provide continuous electricity. Fortunately, countries around the world have been investigating a new energy solution that could overcome all these problems. It is called space solar power. Solar power delivered wirelessly, from space to Earth. Huge orbiting solar farms, built up of many similar parts that would be mass-produced, launched into space on low-cost reusable launchers, and assembled together in orbit using advanced robotic techniques. Once completed, these satellites will collect the full power of the sun's energy, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and beam it down to Earth to receiver stations which will turn it back into electricity and deliver it to the grid. Space solar power is a continuously available, inexhaustible, sustainable and scalable source of energy that could help Switzerland, and the world, meet its climate and energy security goals. This is an energy solution that will transform the fossil fuel age into the space energy age. Launching the space energy age is a multi-trillion opportunity for the space and energy industries. Astrostrom has been working with the European Space Agency, universities, and other space companies to make space solar power a reality soon. First, it is planning to demonstrate the feasibility of space solar power in an equatorial low Earth orbit by providing energy from space to countries located on the equator. Next, it is collaborating with its strategic partners to build Switzerland's first solar power satellite. Then, it has a plan to manufacture solar power satellites from lunar resources, which will reduce the logistical and environmental impact of launching many solar power satellites from Earth. This is not science fiction. The fundamental technologies are understood and are already being demonstrated on Earth and in space today. Other nations are already working on realizing space solar power. If Switzerland also wants to benefit from this game-changing energy solution, accelerated investments in research and development would need to start immediately. And in doing so, Switzerland could help launch a new space energy industry that would provide enormous opportunities for innovation and economic growth in space and on Earth. As a founding member of the European Space Agency, Switzerland has deep know-how in innovative space technology. As the host country to many international organizations, it is uniquely positioned to be an early enabler of space solar power, and to lead an international collaborative effort to supply Switzerland, and the world, with inexhaustible and clean energy from space. 3 solar power satellites could provide Switzerland with the same amount of electricity as does nuclear power today. 8 solar power satellites could make Switzerland energy independent and climate neutral by 2050. If Switzerland starts now.